Hi my crafties, it's Tree. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a good and crafty day. I have a project share from the Silhouette Design store, and it's this little bird box. Isn't that so cute? It's really cute. Love the design. Cute little birds. So this originally came in this size, but you can clearly see that my Scan Kit did not particularly care for this little teeny tiny design, and so this box, this size right here, this square, the bottom of the box, is 2.5 inches. So that's a pretty small little box, but let me show you. Super duper cuter. Look at that. I wasn't paying attention to the cut, so I walked away, and usually when you walk away, that's when you have a little problem. And sure enough, I walked away, and my Scan Kit did not like the filigree on this at all. So, oh well. I thought it was too small anyway. I didn't bother picking out the pieces. But this box, this size, is 5 inches. So I decided that I didn't want just the white with the open holes. I wanted to be able to use my box and put things in it and not have them fall out or destroy the filigree. There's a pink thing there. So I took and cut it twice, but the second time I cut it, I went into my Canvas Workspace, my software, and I removed all the filigree from the inside, as well as, well, no, I removed all the filigree from the inside because this is scalloped. So it fit inside, and I was just thinking that I was going to just do the outside edge and then cut a square to fit inside, but it came with the bottom, and I just fit it through. You can see right here, and I had some problems shoving it under and the glue sticking, but oh well, this is for me. So I used clear jimmies. Oh, I didn't, hold on. All right, I'm back. So I used these clear gems from, or they're pink, they're rhinestones, from Jot. They're right here. And then on the flowers, I also received these as a gift. We're going to embrace the crinkle because everything fun and lovely comes from cellophane packaging, and it crinkles and crinkles and crinkles, and it's just goodness. So, and celebrate it. So you see it's just pink and it's iridized. So very pretty, and I used those on the flowers. I did that all the way around the whole sides, all 4 sides. I did have one little oopsie right here. My Scan Kit did not want to cut this little loop, so I just took a white gel pen and colored in that loop, and you can barely tell that there's a problem. Normally I wouldn't point out a mistake like that, but I just thought, you know, hey, that's a little tip. If it, you know, if the whole thing cuts perfectly except for that one little tiny, I mean, that's a little tiny loop, then, you know, make it work. So last year I worked with Beebeecraft, and I'm working with them again, and this is one of the things that I got, was this little box of gems. I've used a few of them already, and that's where this came from. And I really love this one because it's bright pink, and we've got the big rhinestone, the pear-shaped rhinestone, and the little rounds, and then the flat back pearls. Really cute. So if you look, some of them, like this one, has multiple sizes and colors, and this one here has some blue marquise and some, I don't know, white or gray. And then I love the little butterfly, and this one's got the like colored in there too. So they came in this little box, and I really like it. And I actually put as many rhinestones, buttons, and those little fingernail bows from the dollar stores. I put those in there too. So this is my project share. If this was an actual free file, but Tuesday's over and we're on to new files. There are quite a few freebies on Silhouette Design Store right now, so if you have an electronic cutting machine, go and check them out and see if you're interested in any of those freebies. So I will catch you in my next video, and until then, God bless you and yours. Bye for now.